Hi, it's Krista with WTI. Today I'm going to share a gadget that's making my summer a breeze. It is the Jisoo Lives portable neck fan. And this neck fan is designed in a way that's super lightweight and comfortable. You may even forget you're wearing it sometimes. Also, it has bladeless technology, which is great for a woman like me with long hair. I don't need to worry about my hair getting tangled around blades as I use it. And I also know that I'm going to get plenty of breeze coming from the fan without it being too noisy or disruptive. The battery life on this fan is awesome. I can give it a charge every few uses and make sure I always have plenty of power. It comes with a USB cord and it has an indicator light to let me know when I need to plug it in and recharge it. So all in all, I'm really happy with this portable neck fan and I can recommend it without reservation. So if you're looking for a creative way to make sure you keep cool while keeping your hands 100% free for use for whatever it is you love to do, then you're going to love this fan. And that's my point of view.